Chapter 14, The Rich Earth, Soil. We will explore soil, type of soil, layers of the soil, formation of soil, properties of soil, importance of soil. Soil. The solid surface of earth on which we live is made up of rocks. Rocks are found everywhere. Even the surface of oceans is made up of rocks. Rocks in their smallest sizes along with the humus are called the soil. It is also called the skin of the earth. Formation of soil. Soil is formed because of weathering of rocks. Rocks break down into smaller pieces with the help of sun's heat, the rain and the wind. The process of breaking down of rocks lasts for thousands of years. The roots of plants also help in breaking the rocks. Over time, rocks break into small pieces. Dead plants and animals also play a very important role in the formation of soil. Soil is very important for the growth of plants. Breaking of different types of rocks gives different types of soil. Types of soil. There are three types of soil: sandy soil, clayey soil and loam. Sandy soil. The soil on the beaches and desert is sandy. It is yellow, grey or light brown in color. It is made up of small particles of stones. The particles of sand also have a lot of air spaces and cannot hold much water. Clayey soil. Clayey soil is made up of very fine parts. We can find clayey soil in the riverbeds and ponds. Clayey soil is sticky and is almost used for making pots and toys. It can hold a lot of water for a long time. Clayey soil is very smooth to touch. Clay is used to make pots. Did you know? The remains of living organisms that died millions of years ago and were pressed deep under layer of rocks are known as fossils. Loam. Loam is a mixture of sand and clay. It can hold both air and water. Loam is the best soil for plants because it contains air, water and lots of humus. Humus makes the soil fertile. Properties of soil. Soil varies from one place to another. The soil on the riverside is different from that of a garden. Soil has its properties. Soil has air. Activity 1. Take some garden soil in the glass jar. Pour some water into the glass jar. What do you see? You see air bubbles coming up. These bubbles are because of air trapped in the soil. So, the soil has air. Soil has water. Activity 2. Take some garden soil in a bowl, cover it with a plate and heat it for some time. Now remove the plate carefully and see the plate. You can see the droplets of water on the plate. That shows that the soil has water. Soil has different sizes and colors. Activity 3. Take some soil from your garden and some from roadside. Check these soils under a magnifying glass. Do they differ in size and color? You see carefully. The soils from different places have different sizes and colors. Layers of the soil. Soil has many layers. These layers are named as topsoil, subsoil, weathered, rock fragments and bedrock. Layers of soils. Surface layer, organic debris, partly decomposed O horizons. Topsoil, mineral particles mixed with organic materials, A horizons. Subsoil, compounds draining from above accumulate, B horizons. Parent material, partly weathered rock, C horizon, bedrock, R horizon. Importance of soil. Soil is useful for us in many ways like in agriculture, pottery, medicine, beautify products and buildings, etc. Soil is most important for crops. Different kinds of crops grow in different types of soil. Soil should have enough air, water and minerals for crop to grow better. Soil can have minerals from manure and fertilizers. Manure contains cow dung and decaying leaves. Manure is added because it is rich in humus and it makes the soil fertile. Soil is useful in many ways. Organic layer, decaying leaves and plant matter as they break apart their bits trickle down to the layer below. Topsoil, which can hold lots of organic matter where plants' roots interact with each other and various organisms in the soil food web. Subsoil, which is full of iron and clay that have also trickled down from the above. Parent material, the rock that broke down over millennia to form your soil space. Trees with their deep roots can penetrate this far. Eventually, you get here to bedrock. Knowledge tree. Soil is home to many animals. Earthworms, beetles, ants, and snails are some animals that live in soil. Word bank. Soil, a mixture of tiny particles of rock, dead plants and animals, air and water. Weathering. Damage caused to an object or a thing due to wind, water and chemical substances. Humus, small parts of dead plants and animals present in the soil. Topsoil, a thin layer composed of organic matter and minerals where plants grow and organisms live. Bedrock, the bottom layer of soil that is made up of a large solid mass of rock. Manure, the animal waste that are mixed with soil to help plants in grow.